Hello, welcome to GladyTechFix. My name is Felicia. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to buy coin in Gemgala. So the first step you have to take is to open your Gemgala app. So right here is the home page of my Gemgala app. The next is to click on the cat icon, which is your profile icon. So from here, you're going to click on your coin balance, which is the yellow box here. Just click on it. So from here, you click on the top up option here. So right here you're going to see the amount of coin you can convert to money, the amount of coin you want to buy and its equivalent in naira, the amount of coin you want to buy. You're going to see it here. All you have to do is to click on it and enter your card details. Click on the purchase option and you'll be able to buy it. So having bought it, when you buy it, you're going to see the coin balance right here at this yellow box. So guys, that is it on how to buy coin in Gemgala. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow GladyTechFix for more phone tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.